How can you impress a married woman without saying a single word? In today's video, I'm going to share some methods you can use to do exactly that. There are many young men and even married men who feel attracted to married women. I've seen it many times. Men who are already married still go crazy chasing after married women. They want to win their attention and get close to them. If you are someone who feels attracted to a married woman and want to impress her, then the steps I'm about to share are something you should definitely try. And yes, I'll also explain the important things you must keep in mind when trying to impress a married woman. Before we begin, one important thing: if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Now let's start. My dear friends, if you want to attract a married woman, you need to be very careful. If her husband finds out about your actions, it can create serious trouble for you, so always stay alert and cautious. Many people find married women more attractive. Often their physical appearance seems more developed compared to younger girls. Younger girls may not yet have fully matured physically, while married women usually have a more developed and appealing figure. Because of this, many men feel drawn toward them. Some men, even after getting married, still want to build connections with married women. If you feel the same way and want to get closer to such women or even build a relationship, then you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Build friendship. Many men don't have experience when it comes to approaching married women, so they feel afraid. Don't be scared. Women are very smart. They can easily understand if someone is trying to approach them or show interest. They can sense it clearly. There are many married women who are not happy in their marriages. They feel unloved or ignored by their husbands. Because of this, they may feel emotionally dissatisfied and sometimes wish they could be with someone who truly loves them. Always remember one thing: if you try to connect with a woman who is already facing problems in her marriage, you are more likely to get a positive response. In the beginning, when you start showing interest, she may not respond at all. That's normal. No woman gives an immediate response. So don't get discouraged. Keep your approach consistent. If you see her regularly, stay around her and let her notice you. She will eventually start paying attention. She will understand that you are interested in her. Over time, she may begin to respond and even wait to see you. When you look at her, do it with warmth and genuine affection. Let your eyes show respect and care. When she notices that, she will feel that you truly like her, and that feeling can slowly grow. But remember, this process is not easy. You need to handle everything carefully. When you notice that she is also paying attention to you, then try to talk to her when she is alone. Don't be afraid. Speak confidently. If you act nervous, she will also feel uncomfortable. Always present a good image of yourself. Show that you genuinely respect and like her. Only then will she feel attracted toward him. And one very important thing: never lie about yourself. Don't say things like, "I'm rich" or "I have everything," if it's not true. If she finds out the truth, you will lose all respect. Always be honest about who you are. Finally, if you truly want to build a connection with a married woman, choose someone who is unhappy and unloved in her marriage. But never try to interfere in a happy relationship. If her husband truly loves her, don't try to break their bond. That's something you should never do. I hope you understood everything clearly. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.